everyone, welcome to Happy New Kids Learning. Today we are going to talk about International Day of Democracy. International Day of Democracy is celebrated on 15 September every year. It was established by UN General Assembly on 8 November 2007. Democracy is a government created by the people and it reflects to the major rule. The basic principles of democracy is our political freedom, rule of law and equality. People elect political leaders who represent them and make political decisions at local level and national level. Political people represents the people and hence this system is called as representative democracy. Democracy is the common form of government worldwide. In this form of government, every person has equal rights. Democracy leads to prosperity and development of society. It makes people interested in the country. Hope you enjoyed with me, kids. See you soon. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.